Welcome to Cooking with Stoichiometry with me. I have all my ingredients: bread, mayo, bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes. So for this particular recipe, my chemical equation is going to be 3 bacons plus 2 bread plus 1 leaf of lettuce plus 1 slice of tomato plus 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise equals 1 BLT. So my equalities for this equation are 1 slice of bacon equals 1 mole, 1 slice of bread equals 1 mole, 1 lettuce leaf equals 1 mole, 1 tomato slice equals 1 mole, and 1 tablespoon of mayo equals 1 mole. Okay, so the recipe calls for 3 strips of bacon for every 1 BLT, so that's what we're going to do. After the bread's done toasting, then we spread mayo on it. When you're done with the mayo, then you add the bacon pieces on that you cooked earlier. Then you add the lettuce. Then after you've added everything, you add the tomato slice on. And voila! You have a BLT. So the limiting reactant in this equation would be the bacon, because once you run out of bacon, you can't make any more BLTs. While the excess reactant is going to be the bread, because you're going to have bread left over either way. So the ratios and equalities we're going to be using today are 3 bacon over 1 BLT equals 1 BLT over 3 bacon, 2 bread over 1 BLT equals 1 BLT over 2 bread, 1 lettuce over 1 BLT equals 1 BLT over 1 lettuce, 1 tomato over 1 BLT equals 1 BLT over 1 tomato, and 1 mayonnaise over 1 BLT equals 1 BLT over 1 mayonnaise. Keep in mind that these are moles. So my recipe modification is, if I have 36 moles of bacon, how many BLTs can I make? So for our recipe modification, we put in the first box our given, which is 36 moles of bacon. At the bottom, we refer back to our ratios, and we know that 3 slices of bacon equals 1 BLT. So we put 3 bacon on the bottom and 1 BLT on the top. When you put the 2 in the calculator and divide, you get 12 moles of BLT. Just a fun trivia question. Since I know I can make 12 BLTs using 36 moles of bacon, how much of each other substance will I need to make that amount? We start with 12 BLTs, and using our equalities, we know 2 slices of bread equals 1 BLT. So, in our known, we put 1 BLT, and what we want to convert to, we put on the top. So, 2 bread, which equals, you multiply the top, divide the bottom. 12 times 2 is 24, divided by 1 is 24. So, you need 24 moles of bread to make 12 BLTs. So you do the same thing for the rest. You use your known, which is 12 BLTs, and you use your ratios and equalities to see what goes in what box. So we know that 1 lettuce is equal to 1 BLT, so you put the known on the bottom and the unknown on the top. You multiply the top, divide the bottom, and it's 12. And for every one but the bread and the bacon, your answer is going to be 12 moles of whatever unit you have. So, this video was made to show other people how they can use stoichiometry to make different kinds of foods. In this one, a BLT. I hope this video was helpful.